how to fix Facebook, update your app on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook, update your app problem on Android phone. First go to settings and then apps and apps again and Facebook, and now just go to storage, clear cache and data, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to Play Store and type here Facebook. Now just click update, and that's it, and now your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. It's easy, just go to Play Store and update Facebook. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.